Hey guys, this is Bryce with Richardson's. I have the 33R BTS right here, and here's a quick little tour of it. Here we go. Alright, so I have the battery box plugged in. I have 12 volt power right now. Here's a quick little tour of the outside. I apologize for the train noise. We are next to train tracks. Here's your outside kitchen with the, I think this is 3.5 cubic foot, kind of like a college dorm refrigerator. Outside sink, and then a propane disconnect is right around here somewhere. Here's your outside shower and city water and freshwater connections. That's where you fill up right there. That's your power cords, your tank flush, as well as satellite cable TV. If you're at an RV park that has that. Extra storage. This guy does have the optional, or you can add it, side cameras and rear cameras. All right, let's check out the inside. More ride step above steps. There's 3 steps total to get in this coach. I do like the white. Breaks it up. Makes it feel bigger. Pantry, refrigerator. Okay, here's your bunk beds. We'll go to the master bedroom and bathroom. I like that they use the, it's kind of like a brushed black. I like that. Porcelain toilet. That's nice. Not going to be all wiggly. Here's your bedroom. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a quick tour of this coach. Anytime, give me a call, 951-452-0202. The number might be right here or right here, and the link will be right here. Thank you.